So sorry for the bad lighting, but I'm currently cleaning out my closet and I thought, you know what, maybe I should film a video and show you guys how I do this. So I do a lot of videos about thredup and stuff, and I post that kind of thing. I'm not sponsored by thredup, I never have been. They don't have a coupon code for me, nothing. But I just love their website because it's thrift store clothing, but it goes through an extensive process of being approved. So it's high quality thrift store clothing. So a lot of it is actually new with tags and stuff like that, or never worn. So I am going through my closet because I do purchase a lot of stuff from thredup, and I have a lot of clothes in my closet still that I'm just holding on to that I haven't gotten rid of, but I never wear. So I think I'm going to go through now and just kind of show you guys my process and stuff like that, and then just so you know, I send all of the items that I take out of my closet to thredup. So I have been doing this for the past couple years, about every 6 months or so. So we are at that point where it needs to be done again because I'm running out of hangers and I bought more stuff from thredup. So this is my closet here, and I will link my closet tour down below because I just posted that. So we're going to go ahead, and what I like to do is I like to start with the top shelf here of items, and I just go through color by color, pull out the stuff that I haven't been wearing or don't plan on wearing anytime soon, things that don't fit, stuff like that, and yeah, I sort it into piles. I also make a maybe pile because there is some stuff that I don't know yet. I kind of feel like getting rid of it, but then again I kind of don't, so I make 2 piles of getting rid of and maybes, and then I go through them later on. So I will show you when I have my piles all set up. She's been standing like that for like 5 minutes. I don't know what she's doing. Anyways guys, here are my piles. So there's my Milo. But here's my maybe pile over here. I actually took all of my pants out of my closet at this point because I'm not sure which ones fit. So I've still got quite a bit of baby weight on me after having my son. I haven't been very serious about getting it off until recently, so I don't know which pants here fit, so I need to go through them. I've also got a shirt in here that I just bought, but I think I'm gonna return if I still have the receipt, or donate, because it makes me look incredibly fat. And like, I'm a little bit chubby, but I'm not as big as this makes me look. I also have this in the maybe pile. It's a black dress. It's way too short on me to be a dress, and I have to wear it with like leggings or something. But I'm just gonna try it on and see what it looks like now that I'm not pregnant, because I did get this when I was pregnant and wore it with leggings. And then everything else in the maybe pile is all jeans. In my getting rid of pile, I have a whole bunch of stuff here. I've got this black flowy top with her, which I love, but it's very see-through and it's also really big on me, no matter what weight I am. It's a large, and I tend to wear a medium. This one as well is another shirt that I wore a lot when I was pregnant because it was so flowy and big, and I wore it belted a few times, but it's too big of a shirt, so that needs to go. I love this lip sweatshirt as well. I'm so sorry my dogs are in this video. I love this lip sweatshirt a lot, but it's off the shoulder, and for winter time I'm not a huge fan of that. I like my off the shoulder tops to be summer tops. I've got this Michael Kors black cold shoulder top, and I just don't like the way it clings to me. It clings in like all the wrong places. I have this dress that is absolutely beautiful with the back. It's a nice sheer like material. It has a beautiful design on it, but I got this actually from another thrift store, and I've never worn it, and it's also too small on me at this point, and even if I lost weight, I'm not sure I would fit back into that, because I would have to lose quite a bit of weight to fit into it, because it was tight when the first time I bought it, before I got pregnant. I have this oversized black sweater from Nordstrom that I'm getting rid of. I just don't like it. I don't like the way it sits on me. Here's another thrifted black dress that I love. It's so pretty, but again, it's one of those dresses that I barely fit into at the time, and then I got pregnant, and I don't think I'll ever be back to that really low weight again, so I may as well just pass it on to someone who can use it. You won't be able to see this very well, but this is a really cute dress, but it's way too short on me. I wore it once out with my husband, and I was just tugging it down the whole time, so we're not keeping that. I also have this Adidas sweatshirt, which was my husband's, but we're gonna donate that. This Lulu's dress is so pretty, but it's got an open back, and I'm very uncomfortable with my back. I just don't like it to be out, to be quite honest, because I do get like that, I do get those like, I don't even know what to call them, those like fat rolls that you get from your bra. So I don't love to wear that, and I need to wear a bra all the time, so we'll just get rid of that because I've never worn it. This I wore on vacation, and it's a very cute, like, off-the-shoulder top, but it's one of those ones that just did not stay off the shoulder, and I didn't like the way it looked when it would come off my shoulders, so I'm gonna get rid of that. And then I also have a jersey. This is a Donald Driver jersey. He's retired now, and I'm just gonna get rid of this because this was actually given to me by a friend at the time, and we're no longer friends, and I don't care to keep it in my house anymore. So yeah, that's all my stuff that I am donating. I think this is definitely gonna go in the donate pile, this red one, just because I don't like the way it looks on me. But yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try on all these pants and get rid of the ones that don't fit me. Alright guys, so I feel pretty good about this. This is my pile of clothes that is going to thread up. I still have some hangers on there, but this is all of the hangers I have now that I didn't have before. So I ended up keeping that black, kind of like baby doll looking dress that fit really well. And I got rid of a lot of pairs of pants that didn't fit. I was just holding on to them, hoping that I would fit into them one day, but you know what? That's dumb. A lot of these pants I don't even wear anymore because I don't like the color of them. Like, I don't wear light wash jeans anymore. I did when I was younger, but not so much now that I'm in my 30s. So, and yeah, so I'm pretty proud of this. So that was me cleaning out my closet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.